Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Edit, then Preferences, and jump straight to Themes. This is where Blender stores colors for each UI region. Select the specific area you want to change, for example 3D View or Text Editor, because colors are saved per region. Once an area is selected, expand the color groups to reveal elements like background, header, and text. Make sure to enable the interface you want active so changes preview immediately. This avoids guessing which part you're editing. Now tweak individual elements with the color picker or enter exact RGB or hex values for consistency across workstations. Adjust contrast between background and text to maintain legibility. If contrast drops, increase difference rather than changing saturation only. Move through headers, buttons, and accent colors systematically, testing drop-downs and tooltips so nothing breaks visually. Once done, check Theme under different editor layouts to confirm overlays and gizmos. To finalize, save your work. Either install the theme file or click Save Preferences so Blender keeps it next session. Export the theme as a file to reuse on another machine or share with teammates. If some areas look inconsistent, make sure you changed the correct UI region and toggle the area-specific use theme switches. If colors still misbehave, reset that area and reapply values step by step. Remember, exporting a copy prevents accidental loss and speeds recovery if you must revert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.